Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to draw candy in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. With the help of the ellipse tool, we draw a circle and set its color. Then we give a gradient to the circle with the gradient tool. We will upload the vectors produced in this and all future videos to our Patreon account for our Patreon supporters. To support us, just visit the Patreon link in the announcement and choose one of the desired monthly packages. You can add the gradient by following the steps I did. Then we draw a rectangle with the rectangle tool and set its color. With the help of the selection tool, we select the following points of the rectangle and connect them in the center. We select the received object and enter the effect panel. Enter Distort and Transform and select the twist effect from here and write a suitable degree. Select the object that we waved and go to Repeat from the Object panel. Select Radial and multiply the waved object in the form of a circle. And now our candy is ready. By repeating the sequences I did, you can make your candy more beautiful by giving it additional effects. For the continuation of my videos, you can support me by visiting the link in the announcement and choosing one of the desired monthly packages. Since this channel is not funded from anywhere, your support is very important. At the same time, viewers who support us with any package on Patreon will have the chance to download all vectors and will be able to benefit from videos made exclusively for Patreon supporters. Thanks.